What is SAP BTP and why is it important? SAP Business Technology Platform is an integrated offering that brings together database and data management, analytics, application development, integration, and AI capabilities into a unified environment. It enables organizations to extend, integrate, and innovate SAP and non-SAP applications in the cloud or hybrid environments. BTP is important because it provides agility, scalability, and flexibility for enterprises to modernize their IT landscape, adopt cloud-native practices, and accelerate digital transformation.
What are the main components of SAP BTP? The four key pillars of SAP BTP are database and data management, SAP HANA Cloud, Data Lake, Data Intelligence, analytics, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, Data Warehouse Cloud, application development and integration, SAP Integration Suite, SAP Extension Suite, CAP, Cloud Application Programming Model, Intelligent Technologies, AI, ML, IoT, Robotic Process Automation, RPA.
What is the difference between SAP BTP and SAP Cloud Platform, SCP? SAP BTP is the evolved form of SAP Cloud Platform, SCP. While SCP primarily focused on application development and extension, BTP is broader. It integrates SCP capabilities with database, data management, analytics, and AI/ML services into a single unified platform. Essentially, BTP is the umbrella under which SCP functionalities now exist, along with expanded services to support end-to-end business transformation.
Can you explain SAP Extension Suite and its use cases? The SAP Extension Suite allows businesses to extend existing SAP applications or build new applications on BTP. Use cases include extending SAP S/4HANA with custom applications, develop mobile or web apps integrated with SAP data, automate workflows with SAP Workflow Management, and use SAP Fiori for user-friendly UIs. What is SAP Integration Suite and why is it important? The SAP Integration Suite is a cloud service within BTP designed to connect SAP and non-SAP systems seamlessly. It provides pre-built connectors, APIs, and integration flows, making it easier to integrate on-premise systems with cloud solutions. Its importance lies in enabling hybrid landscapes, ensuring smooth data exchange, and supporting business process continuity across heterogeneous IT environments. What databases are available in SAP BTP? SAP HANA Cloud, in-memory real-time database, SAP ASE, relational database, SAP IQ, columnar database for analytics, SAP Data Lake, scalable object store for unstructured or semi-structured data. What is the SAP Cloud Application Programming, CAP, model? The SAP CAP, Cloud Application Programming Model, is a framework for building enterprise-grade applications and services on SAP BTP. It provides ready-to-use tools, languages, Java, Node.js, and best practices for data modeling, service definitions, and business logic. CAP simplifies application development by abstracting technical complexities, allowing developers to focus on business logic. What is SAP Business Rules Service in BTP? SAP Business Rules Service allows organizations to externalize decision logic from application code. Instead of hard-coding business rules, they can be modeled, managed, and executed on BTP. This makes it easier to adapt business processes dynamically without redeploying applications. For example, a company can change discount rules or approval workflows directly in the rules engine. How does SAP BTP support AI and machine learning? Provides SAP AI Core and AI Foundation for deploying ML models, pre-trained services for document processing, service ticket intelligence and forecasting. Integrates with open-source ML frameworks such as TensorFlow and Python. Enables embedding AI into SAP applications like S/4HANA and SuccessFactors. What is SAP Data Intelligence in BTP? SAP Data Intelligence is a cloud-based data integration, orchestration, and governance solution within BTP. It connects disparate data sources, cloud, on-prem, structured, unstructured, enabling organizations to discover, prepare, and govern data for analytics and AI use cases. It ensures high-quality, trusted data pipelines across the enterprise. How does SAP BTP support integration with third-party applications? Through APIs and API management. Pre-built integration flows in SAP Integration Suite. Cloud connectors for hybrid integration. Open protocol support like OData, REST, and SOAP. What is the role of SAP BTP and SAP S/4HANA extensions? SAP BTP enables side-by-side extensibility for S/4HANA, meaning developers can build new functionality on BTP without modifying the core S/4HANA system. This approach preserves system integrity during upgrades while allowing custom workflows, analytics, and integrations. It helps enterprises innovate while maintaining system stability. Explain SAP Business Application Studio, BAS. Cloud-based development environment in BTP. Supports multiple programming languages, such as Java and Node.js. Provides built-in tools for SAP Fiori, CAP, and extensions. Offers Git integration, debugging, and DevOps capabilities. What is SAP Identity Authentication and Identity Provisioning in BTP? SAP Identity Authentication Service, IAS, provides single sign-on, SSO, user authentication, and secure login for applications on BTP. SAP Identity Provisioning Service, IPS, automates user provisioning across SAP and non-SAP systems, ensuring consistent user management. Together, IAS and IPS strengthen security and compliance across multi-cloud landscapes. How does SAP BTP ensure security and compliance? Identity Authentication Service for user management, Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC, data encryption at rest and in transit, compliance with GDPR, ISO, SOC certifications. What is SAP HANA Cloud and how is it used in BTP? SAP HANA Cloud is the cloud-native in-memory database service within SAP BTP. It provides real-time processing, scalability, and advanced analytics. Organizations use it for transactional and analytical workloads, predictive modeling, and as the backbone for integrating enterprise data sources. How does SAP BTP support multi-cloud and hybrid deployments? SAP BTP runs on multiple hyperscalers, such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and Alibaba Cloud, giving enterprises flexibility to choose their preferred infrastructure provider. It also supports hybrid deployments where customers can integrate on-premise SAP systems with BTP services. This avoids vendor lock-in and enables companies to align with their existing IT strategy. What is SAP Cloud Connector? SAP Cloud Connector is a component that acts as a secure bridge between on-premise systems and SAP BTP. It allows controlled, secure communication without exposing on-premise systems directly to the internet. It is widely used in hybrid integration scenarios. What is Kyma in SAP BTP? Kyma is an open-source Kubernetes-based runtime in BTP that allows developers to build and run cloud-native, microservices-based applications. It provides event-driven extension capabilities for SAP solutions, enabling serverless computing and flexible deployment of containerized workloads. How does SAP BTP enable digital transformation? Simplifies integration of cloud and on-premise systems, provides tools for real-time analytics and decision-making, allows rapid app development and extension, embeds AI and ML into business processes, ensures scalability and agility for changing business needs. What are SAP BTP global accounts, sub-accounts, and spaces? In SAP BTP, a global account is the top-level entity representing a customer's contractual agreement with SAP. Within it, sub-accounts organize resources by region, environment, or project. Sub-accounts contain spaces, where developers deploy applications and services. This hierarchy ensures structured resource management and billing. Explain the role of APIs in SAP BTP. Allow connectivity between SAP and non-SAP systems. Managed via API management in Integration Suite. Support OData, REST, and SOAP formats. Enable businesses to expose services securely to partners and customers.
What is SAP Event Mesh? SAP Event Mesh is a messaging service on BTP that enables asynchronous communication between applications through events. It supports event-driven architectures, decoupling systems for better scalability and resilience. For example, it allows S/4HANA to publish events, like sales order created, that trigger downstream processes in BTP applications.
What is SAP Graph in BTP? SAP Graph is an API layer in BTP that provides a unified, semantically rich view of business data for multiple SAP systems. Instead of calling individual APIs, developers can use SAP Graph to access business objects, such as customers, products, suppliers, across the SAP ecosystem seamlessly. What are some real-world use cases of SAP BTP? Extending SAP SuccessFactors with AI-powered recruitment tools. Creating mobile apps integrated with SAP S/4HANA. Integrating SAP and Salesforce for unified customer insights. Building IoT-enabled predictive maintenance applications. Leveraging SAP Analytics Cloud for financial forecasting.